So last NCR. NCR, I told you that key, if you have to select a R object out of n different object, you will say that key that will be NCR. Here you have to keep one thing in mind. This formula is valid only for the n different object. N different object. If it's a identical object or mixed object, you cannot write NCR. NCR is valid only for a different object. All object must be different. Then only you can write as a NCR. If it's not different, you have to go by manual way. Manual way means basic way you have to do separately. But for the different object only it's valid. Next, number of selection of n different object taking all object at a time. You can easily understand it will be 1 or NCM. Number of selection of n different object take r object at a time when a particular object never come in any selection. So that easily you can understand one particular object never come in any selection. That means that object is not there. You can remove from the container and we'll say n minus 1 object only is there and we are selecting r objects. From then next we discuss about that key if n different objects selecting r time when a particular object always come in every selection. So one particular object always comes. See, selection means what? When you do the experiment, that particular object is not playing the role in the experiment. It's already there in your hand, in your selection. Whenever you are selecting, suppose 10 object, one particular object always coming. Always coming, that means basically you are doing selection of 9 object. If you have to select 10 object and I am saying that one particular object always coming, that means we are doing selection of only 9 object. We are not doing selection of 10 object. The one object is already there. So selection, try to understand the meaning is there. See, when suppose somebody 10 people are going to participate for a particular competition. 10 people are participating. Only 4 has to be selected. Only 4 has to be selected. Then we say, okay, any one 4 can be happen. But if I say out of 10, one Mr. A is there who's already selected. Who's already selected. So basically you're doing selection of the 3 object only, 3 person only. Where one object is already there. So selection means where you have to take the experiment. So if a particular object never come in any experiment, means it's already there in the selection group. So we have to select only r minus 1 object out of n minus 1 object. That's what we can say. Or other way we can write that one key free selection NCR minus that restricted selection which we did in the previous one n minus 1 CR. Both are the same value. That's why this value, these two value will be equal. And from there we got the, I wrote the formula. This equal to, we got NCR equal to what? N minus 1 CR minus 1 plus N minus 1 CR. Which we, yes, correct. So that's what we got. And I told you that's one of the important formula which you have to remember. So that derivation we did by using the factorial and all. Now we did by the using logical. Then we did few questions. Right. Now, going ahead with this. Write down how many points we did. 4 point. 5th point. 5th point, write it. Number of selection of n different objects taking any number of objects at a time. Any number of objects at a time. Any number of objects at a time. It's a good point. You have to understand this. Suppose n different objects are there. Let's take a simple example. Let's take, I'm having 5 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? I want to select 2 coin. You'll say 5C2. 3 coin, 5C3. 0 coin, 5C0. Yes or no? So if I say any number of selection, you do any number of coin. It's up to you. So you can, what you will say in the statement form, you will say either I will select 0 coin, 5 say 0. Or I will select 1 coin, or I will select 2 coin, or I can select 3 coin, or I can select 4 coin, or I can select 5 coin, because they did not mention how many coin you have to select. Simply they say that you select some coin. Any number of coin you can select. It's up to you. If you are already having a lot of coin, you will say I will not select any coin. So means zero selection. That is called as the zero selection. So that is also possible. Or I can select 1 coin, or I can select 2 coin, or I can select 3 coin. Like this possibility will be there or not. All of you able to understand? And this value will be equal to how much? 2 power 5. 2 power 5. I already given you the formula, na? NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2, so on till NCN, always equal to 2 power n. Yes or no? Can we understand some other logic? This is fine, we can understand. So here what will be answer? You will say number of selection of n different objects taking any number of objects at a time. What you will say? NC0 R, NC1 R, NC2 R, so on, and that will go up to NCN, and that value will be equal to 2 power n. Means answer will be 2 power n. That's fine. But this we did by using the combination property, NCR property. Can we do? Suppose, imagine initial stage I didn't tell you this formula, कि this value equal to 2 power n. So how we will do this question? Or I don't know this 2 power equal to 2 power 5. How should we do? Let me explain. Proper permutation combination way. Actually, how should we do? Little bit difficulty may be there for understanding, so please concentrate. You are putting your hand here to select coin. How many coin you have to select? Any number, because they mentioned that any number of coin you can select. Think carefully. Reverse we think. I am selecting coin, or I can say coin is getting selected with getting into my hand. Coin is getting into my hand. Please concentrate. I am selecting any number of coin, or I can say coin is getting into my hand. So this one coin, this coin, is it necessary he will go in my hand? No, it's not necessary. It may go, may not go. Yes or no? Because they did not mention that how many coin you are selecting. Maybe you are saying that I will select 2 coin, 2 and 3 came. One may go, may not go. So one having how many choice? Either it will go or it will not go. 2 having what choice? Either it will go or it will not go. 3 having either it will go or it will not go. Means one can participate role in the selection by 2 way. Selected or not selected. Yes or no? 2 also can participate in how many way? 2 way. 3 also can participate in 2 way. This is also 2 way. This is also 2 way. This is also 2 way. So in how many ways? All of them can participate. I will say 2 power 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Did you understand the point? In this, anything can be happen. Maybe all are not going. Maybe some is going, some not going. Because all the possibility I consider. Could not understand. Understood everybody? So, that's why this value is equal to 2 power n. Not by this way. This is another way to prove this formula. One is that use binomial theorem and prove it, because since binomial theorem is not done, so I am not giving that formula. But directly we can say that this statement I can write 2 power n way also. Which way? Because every object having 2 choice. Either it will go or it will not go. Either it will go or it will not go. So there will be 2 choice will be there. 2 into 2 into 2. How many time? N time. So the answer will be 2 power n. Is this point clear to everybody? Next one. Number of selection of n different objects taking at least one object at a time. At a time. Taking at least one object at a time. You can easily give the answer of this question. There is no problem. Taking at least one object at a time. What will be answer? Is this two question is different or same? Different. Here, what is the difference? Only one difference. Here, zero selection is allowed. Here, zero selection not allowed. So, what I will say? 2 power n, including zero selection, minus the number of way zero selection will be done. If I say that 5 object, in how many way you can do zero selection, you will say 5C0. That is 1. In how many way you can do zero selection after n object nC0? That is 1. So, answer will be 2 power n minus 1. I am sure it's clear to all of you. Understand? If this is, suppose I say there is that 10 object, there is 10 object in a container, 10 nahi kuch aur le lo, 8 objects in the container, total 8 objects are there. If I say in how many way I can select at least 2 objects at a time. So what do you say? 8C2 plus 8C3 plus so on till 8C8. Yes or no? This what you will write? We'll say 2 power 8 minus 8C0 1 minus 8C1 8. So minus 9. Did you understand the point? Clear to everybody? Okay. Coming to the next. Number of selection of n identical objects taking r objects at a time. At a time. Think. What will be answer? N identical object taking r objects at a time. Imagine, suppose if I say there is the 5 A coin, A letters are there. I have to select 2 letters. Think carefully. What is the proper procedure? In the container, we'll put our hand and we'll take it out too. Yes or no? First time I kept my hand inside container, I taken out, I got 2 A's. Then again I put back and again put my hand and take it out too. Will it be different? By every time 2A you will come or not? So in how many way you can select? Only one way. It won't be happen that if they are different, so maybe first time AB coming, next time AC coming. But all are A only, so if every time A only will come, so only will be at a time will be speak, will be 1. Will be 1. If from identical object, if you have to select certain number of object, that will be always equal to 1. There is no difference. Let's moving further. Is it clear now, everybody? Number of selection of n identical objects n identical object taking at least one object at a time. At least one object at a time. You can give the answer very easily. will be, tell me answer. Nobody is able to tell answer. Very bad. But practically think what will happen. This country don't have any future. Check it here. At least one object at a time. Means, what do you say? Either I have to select one object. Either I have to select one object. Either I have to select one object. Or I have to select two object. Or means plus two object. Or three object. Or four object. Are you able to understand? So on. N objects. In how many ways you can select one object? NC1. One way. This is identical. You cannot apply NCR formula. NCR is invalid for the identical object. NCR should come in your mind only if there is a different object. So one object we have to select out of n identical object one way, R plus one way, and so many times. How many times? One is coming how many times? N time. By 1, all are 1, n time. So will be, speak out, will be n. Very important, is going to play the very important role in future. So we properly concentrate. Next. Number of selection of n identical objects, taking any number of objects at a time, taking any number of objects at a time. You can speak the answer. Will be, speak out fast. Will be n plus 1. Why thinking this much? Yeah, simple things. We have to select any number of object, means from the previous. Some people are thinking 1. Slap yourself. How it will be 1? It will be n plus 1. Any number of object at a time. Any number of object means what? Either I can select 0 object, or I can select 1 object, or 2 object, or 3 object, so on till n. Basically, this plus 0 selection. 0 selection one way. 0 selection one way. So here n to n plus 1. Did you understand, everybody? Or is this clear? Chaliye. Next. Before next, we should do few questions. Otherwise, it will be problem. Write it. In how many ways? In how many ways? Four different objects can be selected from A, B, 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 C, 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 D, 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 E, F, G. You can answer, everybody. One step. अरे ओवरऑल क्वेश्चन भाई, आंसर. Anybody else? By 4 objects I have to select. 4 objects. Okay. But 4 different. First I will decide कि how many different objects I am having. I am having A, 1A, 1B, 1C and D, E, F, G. Total 7 different objects is there. Out of this 7 different objects, I have to select 4 objects. Answer 7C4. Yes or no? Is this clear to everybody? Next. This is same things we'll do. 4 different. Okay. In how many way I can select 4 identical objects can be selected from this. Speak out. 4 identical. In how many way you can select 4 identical? Fast. My question complete, your answer should come. Everybody answer should come. In how many way I can select 4 identical objects? Still some people are thinking, this is the maybe JE question. I should careful. 4 identical objects I have to select. How many identical objects I am having this? How many groups are there which can give identical object? I am having AA. This say I cannot give you 4 identical. BBB. This say I will not give you 4 identical. CCCC. This will say yes, I can give you 4 identical. In how many way you can get 4 identical? One way. All 4 A has to come. The answer will be what? 1. Did you understand the point? Now. In how many way I can get 2 identical objects? 2 identical objects. Manually do na. Forget about the mathematics. A non-mathematics person can tell answer oral. Two identical objects. Is it clear to everybody? 2 identical. Of course, either 2A can come, or 2B can come, or 2C can come. That's all. This is the only possibility. Yes or no? The answer will be 3. Okay. That's fine. No problem. Manually we counted here. Listen me carefully. Manually we counted. Okay, this 2A can come, R2B can come, R2C can come. Answer will be 3-way. Some people are thinking this way also. Sir, 2A can come. Yes, sir. 2B also can come. Yes, sir. And these 2C, sir, can come. And then again these 2C can come. See, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 2 selection are same selection. You cannot count it as a 4. The different issue people will not tell, but I know what great idea some people get it. I always know. So this is 3 selection only will be there. There is a 3 possible ways there. Okay. I don't want to do by this way because manual you can do it here because you can see, okay, you can count it. In future, if suppose there is so many cases are there, then it will be difficult. Let's try to do this question selecting 2 identical objects by some different way. Of course, this is a very lengthy way, unnecessary way, but it will help you in future. Watch it. I want to select 2 identical objects. Ask which group can give you 2 identical objects. Give the name as a group. Group 1. Yes, it can give you 2 identical. He is agreed. B group also can give you 2 identical. And C group also can give you 2 identical. This is object I am not calling. Let's call it. There is a group 1, group 2, group 3. All these group 3 groups are sufficient to provide 2 identical objects or not. So I will say, I will select 1 group out of 3 groups. Listen very, very carefully. There is a 3 different group. I am not object. 3 different groups are there. Out of these 3 different groups, I will select 1 group. By different object, I can NCR formula very much valid. I will say that key 3C1. Did you understand this point? Imagine these are 3 boxes, black boxes there. Different. Naming is different. Any one box came. Which box came? I don't know. But I know one thing. Whatever box will come, they are sufficient to provide me 2 identical objects. Now, whatever box came. Now listen me. Forget this point for time being. Listen carefully. Suppose if I say in a container, there is the 5 different objects. In how many ways you can select 2 objects? What do you say? 5C2. Yes or no? If I say no, 15 object is there. How many ways you can select 2 objects? 15C2. This is the different. If I say no, 115 object is there. So you will say 115C2 is there. Yes or no? Now this experiment, let's repeat it by different way. 5 identical objects. In how many ways you can select 2 objects? 1 way. 15 identical objects. How many ways you can select 2 objects? 2 objects. 1 way. 115, 1 way. If you are selecting 2 objects out of identical objects, it does not matter how many is there. All of you able to understand this point? It's not going to be matter. Very small point, but be clear, it will play very crucial role in PNC and probability. It does not matter that how many identical object is there. If you are selecting a particular number of identical object from the group of identical object, it does not matter the counting. Yes or no? Is it clear to everybody? Now, why I told you this story? I did 3C1. I don't know which box came. I don't know which box came, but I don't care. Because number of identical object inside the box does not affect me. If this box is coming, in how many ways you can select 2 identical? 1 way, here 1 way, here 1 way. Because number of object does not matter in the case of identical object into 1. Is it clear to everybody? It's a lengthy process. But this is the real process. This is the what in future you have to do. Grouping, distribution, this is the way you have to do that. So I'm just trying to make your mind to think in this style. not in that style. Initially, slightly difficulty will be there, but every point, if crystal clear is there, it will not be a problem. Don't worry. Now, overall, everybody tell me, in this style, you have to give me answer. Suppose if I say, I'm having A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, 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 F, G, H. F, G, H. In how many way I can select three identical objects? Three identical. Orally, you can tell me, I want the answer in terms of like NCR into something in that style. Grouping style, you have to think. Look, how many identical group is there? One is this, another is this, another is this, another is this. This many group I am having. But is it all sufficient group to provide three identical? No. These two group will say, I cannot provide you three identical. Only these groups are there which can provide you three identical. I want only one group. So I will say that will be 3C1. Once identical group is came into one is the number of way to select, because you have to select also two identical. I don't know which group came, but two identical when I will select, that will be left it out like this. Did you understand? Two identical speak out in the same style. Everybody answer me. Everybody. Two identical. Two identical. Very simple. Now all five group can provide two identical 5C1. Only one group I will select into one. Yes or no? Okay. Four identical. Easily you can understand. 2C1 into 1. Now changing the question. Data is same. Question change. Data is same. Question change. Two identical and two identical. Meaning understand? I want 4 letter. In that 2 should be identical to each other and 2 should be identical to each other. Means for example, AABB or AACC. Speak out the answer. Everybody. This much time. क्या कर रहे हैं? कौन सा रामायण लिख रहे हो तुम लोग? अब simple idea. Which group can provide us two identical? Are all five can provide two identical? All five can provide two identical. So out of this 5 group, I want how many group? 2 group. 5C2. 2 group is there. From each group, 1, 1. That's all. This is the answer. Could not understand. Understood everybody? By 2 box will come, na? From that 2 box, I will take 2 identical here, 2 identical here, and that will answer will give you. Is it clear? 2 identical and 2 identical. This is the way it can be done. That's why I say that you have to think this way. Otherwise, it will be problem. Now manually see what the situation will become. You cannot do manually AA and then BB, then counting AA, CC. So this will be so much difficulty will come. Okay. Now answer me. 2 identical and 3 different. 2 different. 2 different. two identical and two different. Check it here. Two identical, two different. Now listen me carefully, everybody. Whenever you have the preference for identical and different, both you have to select. So first always give the preference for identical. Listen me again. It's typical situation now. Whenever you have to select identical object and different object both, so always give the preference to identical. Means first select identical, then select different. Never do the selection of different first. I have to select two identical and two different. So first two identical I am going to select. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 group, I want only one group. 5C1 into 1. Now two identical selection has been done. Now two different. Think carefully, everybody. I don't know what came. Maybe 2A came, maybe 2B came, maybe 2C came, maybe 2D came, maybe 2E came. Now how many different letter left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different letters was there. 8 different letter was there. Out of them, one letter gone. I don't know A gone, maybe BB gone, but one is gone. Total 7 left into 7C2. I know here some people will have confusion. First, concentrate on this and try to understand. After that, I will explain you. Check carefully. Here one doubt can come. What doubt? Listen me carefully. It's a very common doubt. Everybody used to get it. Generally, some student think, ki sir, if by chance we taken this group for this one, so 1C will left it out. Why you are saying 7C2? Why not 8C2? Because 1C is there, no? Are you getting my point? Just let's do manually. Suppose I selected CC. I had two identical, I did by CC. Now, how many different letter left? Basically, one C is there. One C is left it out there. But that C again I cannot take. Because if that C again will come, this will become 3 identical left. Arey, not getting my point. So this C is useless. Whatever the group you selected, balance letter of that group is useless for us. That you can throw it out. So basically, how many different letter will left? Either you select A group, or you select C group, or you select D group, you will have only 7 different letter. From 7 different letter, you have to select 2 different. So I'll say 7C2. Is it clear to everybody? Now, look here. If I ask you a question simple to this, in the same, 3 identical and 1 different. Everybody, this time everybody should give me correct answer. Take 10 seconds more, no problem, but don't write wrong answer. Basic way think, proper basically. Basic method. Done. Look at it. 3 identical. First give the preference to identical. Never select the different first. First identical. 3 identical. Okay. These two group useless. 1, 2, 3 group is there which can provide 3 identical. One group I will select. So one box came. From that box I taken 3 identical to into 1. Now into how many different letter left? Are again 7 letter left. By any one group gone, na? So one surely it will be happen that ki only one different letter left. Sorry, 7. So 7 C1. Answer is 3 into 7, 21. Finish. Is this clear to everybody? How many of you got it? 21. Okay. Okay. Now listen. In this, let's make it slightly more interesting. 2 identical, 2 identical and 1 different. Means total how many letter I am selecting? 5 letter. In that 2 identical and 1 different. Something like A, B, B and C or A, B, B, F. Anything. One should be different from the everyone. Hey, this much time. Answer. Two identical and 1 different. Answer. Check it here. 2 identical means 2 group I want. So 5 group, so 5C2, 2 group. Yes or no? 2 group is ready. Now how many different letter left? By 2 different letter gone. So 6 letter left, so into 6C1. Finish. Answer 60. Is this clear to everybody? Understood everybody? Let's change the objects. Acha, okay. Before asking another question, one very small question I am asking you. Please listen carefully. Suppose A, B, C, D, E. 5 different letters there. Correct? If I say select 2 letter, what is the answer you will say? 5C2. Yes or no? Now, one very common mistake generally sometimes people do, and sometimes you will also do in future. I am just going to tell you that problem. What exactly problem can we have? Suppose somebody asks you to select 2 letter. Okay. First I am selecting 1 letter. Finally I want 2 letter only. So I will select 1 letter. 1 letter I got it. And now balance how many letter? 4 letter. From there again 1 letter I select. Did you understand? 5C1 and 4C1. Is it correct or wrong? According to me, I didn't do any mistake. I have to select 2 letter. If suppose somebody say there that 2 coins you have to select, it's up to me. I take 2 coins together or 1 by 1. What is the problem? I taken 1 by 1. Is there any problem with this answer? But the double of the answer, what the correct answer? Of course, it's wrong answer. Correct answer is 5C2. 5C2 value is the 10. 5 into 4 by 2, 10. And this is the double. What the mistake I did? Let me show you the mistakes. Listen me very, very carefully. First I am selecting 5C1, means 1 letter. So what is the possibility? Either I will get A, or I will get B, or I will get C, or I will get D, or I will get E. Yes or no? Suppose when I got A, so what is the left? B, C, D, E. If I selected A, so what is left? B, C, D, E. From B, C, D, E, I am doing 4C1. So how it will be? B, C, D, E. Yes or no? So what is your selection now? Either AB selection, or AC, or AD, or AE. This is my selection. This says my selection is either AB, or AC, or AD, or AE. All of you are agree with me. Is it correct? Now let's go to this one. When I selected B, what is left? C, A, C, D, E. A, C, D, E. For the 4C1, this is the possibility. Did you understand? Now what is my selection? Either BA, BC, BD, BE. BA, BC, BD, BE. I hope some of you are able to understand what the mistake is happening. Did you understand? I was getting AB, I counted one selection, and BA and I counted a different selection. Is it different selection or same selection? It's the same selection. Have you understand the problem? The same thing will happen if you go with the C. So CA you will get and CB, repeated solution. So actually it will repeat it. Every selection will become double. 2 times you will count. Actually this way doing, you are doing arrangement also. AB and BA you are considering as a different selection, but they are not different selection. Okay, so all of you understood this point. So there will be always repeated solution will come. That is why this case should not be done. So if ever you always remember, whenever you will try to do in split format, then there will be problem will come. So you should be very careful about this one. This kind of mistake, it's called the repeated counting. So this repeated counting should be avoided, and you have to use your common sense to identify that key where I am doing the repeated counting. That kind of the counting we have to avoid it. Right. So write the questions for homework. Simple, just for practice of this one only. From A, BB, CC, DD, E, FGH. In how many ways we can? First bit, select two identical. Second bit, select two identical and two different. Third bit, select two identical and three different. Select two identical and two different. Is it clear? Second question. In how many ways four letter can be selected? Can be selected from. I am saying four letter. I am not mentioning that ki four letter which kind of. All different, mix, anything can be happen. You have to make possibility from letters of the mathematics. From the letters of the word mathematics. Is this clear, everybody? So try this one, and we'll continue with this in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.